What if I could instantly analyze your vitamin intake and create personalized supplement plans? We're testing the best eye tools that freelancers and small businesses are using to offer premium health consultations. The supplement industry is flooded with generic advice. Eye tools now analyze individual health data, genetics, and deficiencies to create tailored vitamin plans. For freelance nutritionists and wellness coaches, this means offering premium services without extensive certifications. Let's explore the top 3 tools revolutionizing this space. This eye analyzes blood work, lifestyle, and goals to recommend specific vitamins. Upload client data, get instant personalized reports. Perfect for coaches scaling their practice. It integrates with existing CRM systems, saving hours weekly. If the automation is game-changing for small wellness businesses looking to professionalize service delivery, never recommend conflicting supplements again. This tool flags dangerous interactions between vitamins, medications, and conditions. Input client health data and current supplements. Get instant safety reports. Freelancers use this to build trust and credibility. It's essential for anyone offering health advice, reducing liability and improving outcomes significantly. Start with free trials on both platforms. Test with mock client data first. You as a high-value expert allowing premium personalized reports. These tools position you as a high-value expert allowing premium personalized reports. These tools position you as a high-value expert allowing price increases while reducing time decline. Subscribe for more cutting-edge creator tools and hit the like button to see more tech that makes your business smarter.